In today's video, we're looking at a traffic stop out of Salkus, New Jersey, October 2023. Late night, no lights, a Honda CR-V swerving all over the road. Officers run the plate, and it comes back stolen out of Patterson. They move in, pull the car over, and the officer orders the driver out. Instead of complying, the driver throws the car in reverse and backs straight into the officer's crew.
Driver, turn the vehicle off! Driver, place your hands out the window! Hands out the window! Driver, place your hands out the window! I may need a Spanish-speaking officer. Señora, manos arriba! Oh, there you go. She's in neutral. Okay. She just hit my car. Alright, is anybody else? Wait, stay there. Stay back. Is anybody else in the car? She just hit my car. Alright, she's single occupant in the car? Alright, stand there.
Behind the wheel is Rosemary Torres, a young woman coming straight off a shift at the club where she works. When officers confront her about the stolen vehicle, she doesn't deny it. She doesn't panic, she just explains herself. And her reason for being behind the wheel of a stolen car is something the officers weren't quite expecting to hear.
How you doing, ma'am? Step out of the car.
Can you speak to my lawyer?
Okay, no problem, ma'am. How you doing, sir? She's getting detained right now. Step out of the car.
Can you have me to
Yeah, I think she's 4-4. We have her detained.
You're gonna have to wait, sir.
All right, man. Listen. Right now,
He didn't tell me it was stolen. He's just mad at me because I'm not trying to.
Okay, no problem, man. You all right?
Yeah.
All right, no problem. Walk back here at me.
If she's mad at me.
Just to make sure the car's clear.
He's just mad at me.
One table detained.
Wait, can I get my
Vehicle's
phone?
empty.
My lawyer.
You okay, ma'am?
It's my birthday.
It's your birthday? All right. Whose car is that?
It's my friend.
All right, okay. Here's what I'm gonna do, right? Do you have anything illegal on your person?
No.
Do you have anything to poke me, stick me, cut me in your pockets? I see you have some injuries and stuff like that in your wrists that are old. So, and you have a Band-Aid here. I don't know if you're like an IV drug user or something like that. All right. Do me a favor, just have a seat in the back seat of my car, okay?
Can I get my phone?
We'll get your phone after. Just have a seat for me, all right? We can clear this out and move traffic. Yeah. So if you want, thank you. If you want to move your car.
Yeah, you go there now. So.
Yeah, cool. And then we'll clear out those. Yeah, we're gonna need 4-4. She crushed my car.
Is that intentional?
No, I think she's 450. You hear her?
She's definitely
Because she was doing this.
No, she's definitely 450.
With Torres secured in the patrol car, officers turned their attention to the stolen Honda CR-V, and it didn't take long to see that something was off about her. The signs were there, clear as day. But before anything else, they needed answers. Who did this car belong to? How did Torres end up behind the wheel? And was there anything inside that could tell them more? Officers moved in and began searching the vehicle, looking for registration, any information on the owner, and any other evidence that could help build their case. Every detail mattered. Every item inside that car was potentially another piece of the puzzle. When officers pressed Torres for answers, she opened up.
According to her, the night had started like any other shift at the club, but at some point she spotted a set of car keys sitting on a table. No owner in sight.
And instead of leaving them there, she picked them up, got in the car they belonged to, and drove off. She claims she had no idea whose car it was or that it was reported stolen. As far as she was concerned, she just needed a ride home.
Yeah, we'll take her out. We'll try and do the SFSD and see what happens. Because she was all over the road.
She said she smoked weed prior.
Yes.
But I don't know if that's weed.
All right.
Last name is White. C-O-U-T-E.
Step out of the car for me, all right?
Security guard's just gonna walk over.
Here's someone.
I'm gonna take a walk in the back.
I'll do it. All right. Turn around. I'm gonna take the handcuffs off for a second, all right? Fix yourself, and then we're gonna walk over here. Don't try and run away or anything. That's probably the worst thing you can do. You understand what I'm telling you?
Wanna play manhunt with me? I'm just joking.
What?
You ever play manhunt?
I don't know what you're saying.
Manhunt. Okay, that's
Alright, you're not doing that because that's going to end bad for you, I promise. Alright? Would you cut yourself with the Band-Aid?
No, I got checked today just to make sure I'm good.
Okay, okay. Alright, stand over here for me, okay? You're good here. Actually, you know what? Come up on the sidewalk. This is a lot flatter.
21.
Alright, man. Dude, if you can just turn off 3/6's lights?
Yeah, absolutely.
Appreciate you. Alright. Let me ask you a question. Do you have any medical problems? No? Okay. Do you have any problems with your eyes?
No.
Like, do you wear glasses, contacts, anything like that? Okay.
Oh, it has been a great
Have you ever had a concussion or anything like that? Any traumatic brain injuries? What we want to do is stand the way you are, feet together, hands at your sides, alright? You see my pen right here? Look at the tip of my pen. I'm going to move this pen from side to side. Keep your head still, don't move your head, just follow with your eyes. You understand what I'm telling you?
Okay.
Alright, look at my pen.
Okay.
Wait, you gotta keep following her, okay? Don't stop, okay? Look at it.
14-year-old juvenile. Her name is Sarah Boyd. I don't have a clothing description.
Don't move your head, just your eyes. You gotta keep following with your eyes, alright?
Or she goes to be some sort of track items. Great, so everybody down there. We got a picture of her?
Alright. Stand the way you are. Put your feet back up. Let's back up a little bit. Come on, walk over here. Or you can face me, actually. Stand there. Stand the way you are. Put your feet together, hand at your sides. Just like this, alright? You're going to take your left foot, put it on this imaginary line extended between you and I. Alright, you're going to take your right foot, put your right foot heel to toe directly in front of it. Alright? Stand the way you are, feet together, hands at your sides. You're going to take 9 heel to toe steps forward, right? And you're going to count out loud. 1, 2, 3. Wait, you're not going to start until I tell you to start. So back up. Left foot on this imaginary line. Right foot in front of it. Alright? Stay there. You're going to take 9 steps forward like that. You're going to turn around and take 9 back. Count it out loud. So left on the line, right on front. 1, 2. Go ahead. Heel to toe.
7, 8, 9.
Alright, turn around and go back.
1, 2.
Alright, you're not listening when I tell you heel to toe.
Sassy.
You're not listening when I tell you heel to toe.
Okay, like this.
You don't have to worry about trying to look fancy or anything. Just walk heel to toe.
Right.
Alright, ready? Count them out.
Okay.
Then 9 back. Alright, good. Stand the way you are, turn around, look at me. Feet together, hands at your side once again. You're going to pick a foot, any foot, left, right, doesn't matter to me, right? You're going to take that foot, put it in front of you, parallel to the ground, 6 inches about. You're going to count out loud, 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, until you stop, all right? Count out for me loud. You're going to put your feet together, just stand there. You're going to pick a foot, either one. Hold it out. Don't begin until I tell you to. And you're going to count 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000. You understand what I'm telling you?
1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, 6 1,000.
Alright, you're good. Come on, we'll go back in the car. I'm going to put these back on. Hold on. Don't move. Alright, you have an outstanding warrant for your arrest, and obviously you're driving a stolen vehicle, alright? That's not yours. Okay? That, and you told one of my partners that you stole the car when you were at the club.
No, I didn't say that.
Were you dancing at the club or you were hanging out at the club? Okay.
Can you call my friend?
Yeah, we'll call him and get to the police station. Walk in here. So when we just closed the door on the outside. Were you dancing at the club or are you like just hanging out and having drinks, just chilling?
No, I didn't.
Okay. Which club is that?
Sunrise.
Sunrise?
Hold on, let me grab this.
Very nice.
Oh my God.
Yeah, you're good. Just hang out there. Alright. Yeah, I think she's right. No HGN, anything like that. She just wanted to try and walk fancy, but she did good at heel to toe, whatever. So.
Here's where things get interesting. Looking at Torres, the signs are right there, visible, obvious. But when the officer weighs in, he says something that stops everyone in their tracks. According to him, Torres is not under the influence. And that raises a question. What exactly is he seeing that the camera isn't picking up? Because from the outside looking in, the picture tells a very different story.
450, yes, no?
No, she had no HGN. Okay. She actually did well walking turn after I said stop trying to walk fancy.
Okay.
She did pretty good with the foot up and everything, so. She has the outstanding out of Patterson, then the receiving charge. And I'll let Patterson know about the statement she made to Mac now. I want to change that up.
Torres was taken to the station for processing, and that's when things got a little more complicated for her. A search of her record revealed an outstanding warrant already waiting on her name. On top of that, she was hit with a fresh charge, receiving stolen property for driving that stolen CRV. What started as a late-night ride home from work turned into a very long night for Rosemary Torres. What do you think about this one, specifically that officer's call? Did he handle it right, or did something feel off to you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. See you in the next one.